Today we are showcasing this beautiful 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD LTZ truck crew cab. 6.6 liter V8, of course. Allison 1000 6-speed automatic. Beautiful bed in here with liner. Massive 4x4. Reliable Chevy. Silver ice metallic on the outside exterior color. 2500 HD on the door. Gorgeous wood paneling. State-of-the-art technology. Backup camera, navigation, Bluetooth, all the bells and whistles you could need. Make your commute a little more user-friendly, if you will. Lots of room in the back for any and all passengers. Plenty of room under the seats to fold down. Come on down today to schedule a test drive at justbettercars.com.